my Ruger Mini 14 with my Nikon P223 scope. It's a small 4-power scope, it's not real powerful. Right now this weapon is loaded and it is safe. And we're going to go ahead and take a few pot shots. I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see that stuff out there, but I try to line it up pretty good. Let's see, zooming in a little bit. Try to bring down the angle a little bit. I hate being at the range by myself with no camera person. Let's see. There we go. Let's go ahead and take a few shots at this stuff closer. Right here first. Just to make sure I got my 4-power scope in the line. Safety of operations right here by the trigger. Now the firearm is ready to go. Well, that's one down. But let's see if I can get it a couple more times. Is it still in frame? Screw it. You know what? I got some bricks out there. Let's see if I can zoom in on those bricks. Let's shoot some bricks. Some 223 rounds through some bricks. Yeah, that's them right there. Ooh, look at that. Let's go ahead and get that. Yeah, I'm still on view. Let's go ahead and get that there propane can. Well, I put a few holes through the propane can and decided, well, I might as well hit the bricks around it because the propane can's empty, so the bullets are just piercing through the metal and it's not even moving it. Let's see what else. I think I got another brick set up out there. Bricks are fun to explode as long as they don't blow up in your face. Bear with me. There it is. I mean, you know, when you see the movies and you see people shoot at the bricks and they always just kind of like spark and that's it. Well, that's not what happens in real life with bullets. The bullets don't spark off of concrete bricks or concrete in general. It chips it away or goes through it. Oh, by the way, let's see if I can get it in focus real quick. I'm shooting these here new Brass Max ammo. Sorry, I got my shit zoomed out real fast, but this is a Brass Max 55 grain bullets. That's a kicker. A piece of those bricks are flying back at me. I'm about, I'll say about 30 yards away. Let's see. There you go. Now you can see the Brass Max. This is brand new ammo. I'm just trying this stuff out. And so far, in 45 ACP, I know it runs kind of dirty because I had it at another range at another time. So I'm assuming this runs a little dirty too. But, you know, right now is March 2013, March 4th. And, you know, anything brass you can get your hands on, basically you go for it. Let's see if I can go ahead and zoom in. Screw zooming in. I got some stuff set up over there. And we're going to go ahead and take a few shots at that. Freeze! Or else I'll shoot! That would have been one dead zombie right there. Yeah, don't even know a dead zombie. These bowling pins are really fun to shoot at. They're wood, they go down really easy. Now we've been know a dead zombie. Let's see here. I'll just go ahead and shoot at that other bowling pin. And that's it. Mini 14 owns it. Love this gun. Alright, operating by myself still. Let's see how reliable the Tapco Gen 2 Mini 14 mags are. With my Mini 14 Tactical. And let's see how rapid I can shoot it. I'm not the most rapid fire guy in the world, but sometimes you just have to test your equipment. And this is with that cheap Tula 50 round box, $17.99 at Walmart. Brass case ammo. I don't have a whole lot to shoot out there, but I put some things up. This is more about a rapid fire, making sure everything runs correctly than it is about anything else. Let me put my headphones on here. Rack one in the chamber. And let's get the fire. Safety off. You want to know that? I'll do 15 rounds with the buttstock, 15 rounds with buttstock collapse. With the buttstock collapse. Freeze! I'm not quite sure if that was 15 rounds or not, but you get the picture. Now let me collapse the buttstock. Push down right here, close it up. I can do it the other way, but didn't feel like it. And now, if I have to, that buttstock, hold on. There. Now it's locked in place, it's closed up. If I had to run through the house, you want to know what? Let me put my forward grip on here. Tie this sucker down real quick. Bear with me. I'm working with one hand here. And now I got myself a big handgun. Think about that. Safety off. Go have some fun. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, empty. Stupid me. Thought I had another round in there. 30 rounds that fast. I don't know, but I think the Mini 14 can handle itself just as well as any AR out there. You can pull the trigger just as fast, and you can also get through tight quarters without needing that buttstock way up here. That Big Daddy Hoffman would say, "Hoorah!"